to delete Facebook story. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Facebook story. Stories automatically disappear after 24 hours. But if you want to delete before it, you'll need to follow these steps. First of all, open your Facebook application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Here, you will need to tap on your story presented in this row. Once you tap on your story, you will reach inside it. Here at the top right, you will be able to see the three dots. Tap on those three dots and from the menu that appears at the bottom, here you will need to select delete photo. You can also choose to archive stories instead of deleting them if you want to keep them for future reference. For that, you will need to tap on this archive photo. But if you want to delete it permanently, then you will need to tap on this delete photo option right here and confirm it by tapping on delete again. Now once deleted, this story cannot be recovered. After doing that, you can see you have successfully deleted your Facebook story. So by following the steps, you can easily delete your Facebook stories. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.